Hi guys, so I got hungry and I got a new Vietnamese restaurant which started up only recently. So I'm gonna try some beef and tendon soup. I never had it before, so let's give it a go. Hey go man.
Hi.
Patrick, I just rang. Yeah.
Sliced beef and tendons.
Yeah,
And with fresh chili.
that's it.
Yes. $15, please.
I've got my soup. Time to go home and eat. Bloody COVID shit again. So the soup I got is beef and tendons. Now, I don't know what it's like. I've never had it before, but let's just try it out, see what it's like. Okay, so I've got my beef and tendon soup. So this is how I got it all in a typical like Asian way of supplying it. So let's open it up. Okay, so the meat is actually raw meat. Shit, with noodles and so you got your bean sprouts, some sauce, chili, and all the bean sprouts in there. So I'll put it all in. Now this is looking pretty good. Put my chili in. Oh, bloody thing is so tight. Put my, I don't know what the hell sauce this is. My mouth's watering. So, this is the soup, and they've sort of wrapped it and then sealed it. Well, they've wrapped it and sealed it. Jesus, they've done a pretty bloody good job of sealing it. Yeah, so I guess there's a lot of effort into packing this. Wow, there's a lot there. Now, I didn't notice this, but there was a plastic bag in there, and I don't know what's in there, but it seems to be onions. There's onions and stuff in there. So I've made a real mess out of this, but oh well, I'll know next time. Like spring onions and stuff. Wow. Look, you know what? I'm going to get another bowl. I don't think this bowl is going to be big enough. So I've got a bigger bowl, and I'm transferring everything into that bigger bowl. Yeah, that's better. So I guess the meat sort of cooks in the soup. God, I made a mess everywhere. Yum. So I transferred everything into a bigger bowl. That's how it looks. And it's got noodles at the bottom, and the beef, it's sort of cooking in the soup itself. Oh, yum. That is tasty. This is super tasty. I've got some chili. Oh, yum. I've never really tried Vietnamese soups before, but I'll tell you what, this is awesome. So it's got noodles at the bottom and spring onions, mint, a whole bunch of other stuff. And look, I don't even know, bean shoots. This is yum. So you get the meat raw and you put it into the soup, and the soup sort of blanches it. Awesome. I'm really, really glad I got this, because I've been having some pretty bland meals at the moment for some, medical reasons. But this is just hit the spot. This is delicious, and it's got a kick. It's got those chilies in there. Wow. Ooh. And all the ingredients are fresh. So this was beef and tendons. Wow. It's hot. Yum. There's no other way to eat this but to suck it in like most Asians do, because it's just the way the meal is. Oh, I gotta get a tissue, my nose is running mad. Excuse me. It's seriously hot, guys. Seriously hot. Maybe I put too many chilies in. Wow, I like this one. And the meat is just, it's thin, and it cooks in the soup. It just blanches it. It's just perfect. It's soft. This soup is hitting every taste bud in my mouth. It is sensational. I don't know if this is how you're supposed to eat it, like chopsticks in one hand and soup spoon in the other, but who gives a shit? It tastes awesome. It's getting to the point where this isn't going to do. And there's not a lot of solids left there, a lot of soup. So, just going to go old-fashioned style. Awesome. Well, Vietnamese soup, I'm converted. This is just fantastic. But to be fair, maybe I should try it at a few other Vietnamese restaurants and compare it. But I'm loving it at the moment. Done. It's so hot, but it was very tasty. Loved it. It's so hot. I had to get some marshmallows and munch on them just to take the heat out of my mouth. I know a glass of milk works, but I like marshmallows. I love Vietnamese food. I love the banh mi rolls, but this soup is just divine. And I'm not a big fan of soups, but this is just perfect. A bit hot, but that's my fault. I put too many chilies in there. Anyway, till next time, ciao for now. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for future content. Till next time, ciao for now.